How do you create your YouTube thumbnails if you are new to YouTube and you have no knowledge of graphic designs? In this video, I'm going to take you through that process without any hectic stress. Going through YouTube, you realize that one thing that convinces a lot of people to subscribe to your channel by clicking on that red icon, or even first of all to click on your video and view it, is thumbnail. It counts a lot, though the title and everything counts, but thumbnail is your banner that you put out there for the people. You realize that with this video, there's a good thumbnail. I have a good number of views. This video, I decided not to put a thumbnail. 11 views. Though I have the same number of subscribers where I publish them, but those with thumbnails are doing quite better than those without thumbnails. So that is simply because videos that are with thumbnails communicate more. They give the explanation to the viewers what the video is all about, so the person is ready to click, and with a face like this, surprise face looking at it, the person is tempted to click and view. How do you create your YouTube thumbnails if you are new to YouTube and you have no knowledge of graphic designs? In this video, I'm going to take you through that process without any hectic stress. So when you can use Photoshop for it if you are conversant with the software, but if you don't know how to use Photoshop, don't panic yet. We are going to use an option that will suit you better. So when you are using Photoshop, you simply go to Film, you choose any of the resolutions there, then you design your banner, your thumbnail. But the option for those who do not know how to use Photoshop, this is best for you, and I've been using it for some time now. It's Canva.com. Below in the description, I'll leave a link for you to register. And when you register, they'll give you premium item for free, certain premium packages for free. So kindly use that link to register. If you register alone, you will not get that advantage. So when you come to Canva, there are a whole lot that you can do, but the simple thing you have to do is try and use the search. So when you use the search, so YouTube thumbnail, they give you a whole lot of templates where you can choose from to edit and use for your video. So I'll use this thumbnail, and those have resources that help you to do this work in an easy way. So for instance, this video, I'm going to create a thumbnail on my video which I created. Create YouTube channel. The fastest way to create a YouTube channel in 2021. So you try and find ways and means of convincing and also attracting the people to view. So if you have this and you are not interested in the image share, what you can do is you can add more images. So you can go and upload your own images. You can get images from here. So man computer, you use key terms which helps you to get some of the things on the web. So with all this, you are able to browse through, and the one that gets your interest or that you are more interested in, you use it for the video or for the thumbnail that you are creating. This doesn't. Okay, so I think this is good. But another thing to catch your attention is when you go to elements, and you get some elements there. Mostly some of them are PNGs we are able to get for free. But if you don't get PNGs here, Worry not, simply go and search for what you are looking for. So when you search that, you can download them for free. So just this takes time to download. So while it's downloading, I'll just simply prepare to upload it from here. So you go to upload, pictures, so let me refresh. And it's here. So after uploading it, you drag it inside your editor. You can change colors. So with YouTube being red, you can decide to use a color that speaks more of YouTube. The theme color of YouTube is red. And you should know how to mix colors as well to make it not look too complex for viewing. So this, as I said, this is looking complex, so I can simply change this. Alright, so this is quite simple. Let me add something up. So pointing down, I'll simply pick the elements, place it inside. It takes time for elements to load depending on their sizes, and you know they're also from other websites. So it has loaded. Okay, so basically I've created my thumbnail. This is a thumbnail I'm going to put out there, and I wouldn't forget to add YouTube logo. And all these resources are found here. Some of them are premium that you need to pay for them, and that is why I said when you leave it in the comment, when you click on a link below, you are going to get an offer to get some of the premium resources for free. So I place my YouTube logo up here. Okay, to make it more creative, she's holding YouTube. So basically that's how you create it. Then you go to download, and you are done downloading it. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want help on other stuff, kindly leave a comment below. I'll be uploading videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. It has been a wonderful experience, and it will be glad sharing it with you. So kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos on your YouTube channel growth and other videos on other areas you may be interested in. Till I see you in other videos, it's bye bye.